In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell music online with Shopify. We're going to walk through the full process, from installing the right app, to creating your music product, to attaching the actual audio files so customers can download them right after purchase. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the options that appear, choose Apps. In the search field, type Digital Downloads and press enter on your keyboard. This takes you to the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the app called Digital Downloads and select it. This will open the app's information page where you can review what it does. When you're ready, click Install and follow the prompts Shopify gives you. Once the installation is complete, Shopify will automatically open the app's dashboard so you can start using it. Next, let's create the product listing for your music. On the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, find and click on Products, then click Add Product. This opens the product editor, which is where you'll set everything up. Start by adding your music title. A helpful tip here is to include a main hook in the title, such as Deluxe Edition, Exclusive, Remastered, or Limited. This kind of wording can increase the perceived value of your music and make it feel more special to potential buyers. Then add your music description. Instead of only listing technical details like file formats or track lengths, focus on the feeling and transformation your music creates. Describe the mood, the vibe, and the experience listeners can expect. This helps connect with your audience on an emotional level. Under the media section, click Upload New if you want to select an image for your music product from your computer, such as album artwork or a cover image. If you've already uploaded artwork to Shopify before, you can click Select Existing and choose an image from your Shopify files. Set the price for your music based on your strategy, whether it's a single, an EP, or a full album. Then, under Inventory, turn off inventory tracking, since digital music doesn't run out of stock. Under Shipping, toggle off This is a physical product, because customers will receive a download, not a shipped item. When everything looks good, click Save at the top near the search bar. Now, it's time to attach your actual music files. Go back to the Digital Downloads app. From the list of products, find the music product you just created. On that products row, click Add Digital Files. This opens the digital file editor for that specific product. Inside the editor, click Add Files. A pop-up will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Locate the music file or files you want to sell, select them, and press enter or click to confirm. Wait for the upload to finish. Larger audio files may take a little longer, so be patient and let the progress bar complete fully. Once the upload is done, click Save at the top near the search bar. That's it. You've installed the Digital Downloads app, created a compelling product listing for your music, and attach the digital files so customers can purchase and download your tracks directly through your Shopify store.